Welcome everyone. I am back. Today is July the 15th, 2022. We're going to talk about Kadena today and see if a breakout is coming. I mean, you guys can already see in front of you that I got a price prediction on the chart, but the market hasn't really gone up. Yeah, it went up maybe 4 days after I did my last price prediction, but the market completely fell down from thence. What's going to happen next? Is Kadena about to break out? Well, I'm going to talk about that today to show you what I think the market is about to do in Kadena without the confusion. So everyone who is new, go ahead and join the team. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. That is how you're able to do that. And as well, tap that bell notification as well if you want to be aware of whenever I create my content and place it here on this platform. All right, so let's get started. I did a video real quick in Kadena on June 22nd. 2022. You guys can see that my expectation was for the market in Kadena to run up, to go up higher in price, and like I said, maybe 4 days following my price prediction, the market did do just that. But since then, it has been on a downtrend. Now I wanted to come through and show you all I'm not necessarily worried about the market going down in Kadena because of something that occurred just 2 days ago. Can you all see this? Let me show you all what I'm talking about. Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm talking about this day right here. Okay, what does this mean? What happened on that day? What did this day represent? What alleviated the situation of us expecting the market to continue to go down? That day right here, which is on July the 13th, 2022, it's the day that the buyers confirmed that they're still willing to prop up Kadena's price. That's why I'm not too much worried about the market going down following my video. That is why I'm still expecting the market to move higher in price. Now, a breakout, that's kind of hard to come out and say that. But I still suspect that the market in Kadena is trying to move up. It's trying to run up. It's trying to go higher in price. So if you wasn't able to get our price target on the 4 days following my price prediction, because you guys can see where the rejectional point was. I'm quite sure I mentioned that on my last video. Go back and listen to it if you haven't. Okay, because I'm quite sure this was our price target area right there on June 22nd, where I said that would be our first area to take the bag right here. And that would have garnered us around 8.87%. If you haven't seen my video back then, go back and listen to it because it's still available to see if that was one price target. That was the amount of money, that was the amount of profitability we could have garnered from that video. Okay, 8.87%. Now, if I'm still looking for the market in Kadena to go up, should we get rid of our price prediction or should we just wait? If we're still expecting the market in Kadena to go higher. Now, we already know following my price prediction and seeing how high the market went right there on June 26th, that would have to be another contentional point for us to take profitability. So we still need to keep that in mind because that's the closest point that we have seen the market get rejected in Kadena. If not there, it's down here now. Okay, so let me go ahead and get rid of that because we definitely need to compensate and consider this new leg down that the market in Kadena had just went through, because now it cannot break above this level. Okay, which is what, $1.68, $1.70. Last time it was up there around $1.85. Now the sellers are positioned a little bit lower down here towards $1.68, $1.70. That's the closest area that we can see the sellers now. So as I do this price prediction, that will have to be a potential point for us to take profitability. It's just that simple. It's not hard. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this on a different time frame first. So this is Kadena right here on the 2-day chart, and I'm still expecting the market to move up, right? I'm not, like I said, I'm not seeing that much weakness coming in play following my video from June 22nd, June 23rd. I'm not seeing that much weakness. Yes, price has gone down, but buyers has confirmed that they're still willing to prop the price up around $1.40. And as long as that remains the case, we need to remain sort of bullish. We still need to remain as if the market is still trying to move higher in price. And we're still seeing that on the 2-day chart. Let's look at this on the 3-day chart. And I'm still expecting that to happen from the 3-day chart perspective. I don't see that much weakness. I don't. Okay. Looking at this on the 5-day. Okay. Weekly time frame. We have 2 days and 14 hours left, and currently I do like what's going on. Now, obviously, we cannot take this as gospel. It is not complete, but the weekly chart right now, this current weekly price bar does resemble that the buyers are creating a firm area support right there at $1.40. Okay. So now, let me go ahead and cut this. Okay, because what I'm going to do, I am going to play some strength here into the market in Kadena. Okay. And now I'm going to extend this downtrend line because I want us to remember that the general trend in Kadena is still one of lower prices. So as we continue to anticipate that the market in Kadena is going to move higher, that also would be a ultimate point for us to come in and take the profitability. Okay, we got to consider that. So let me go ahead and drop this on the chart. Okay. So now, our support area is still going to be around $1.35. All right, meaning as long as Kadena's price trades above $1.35, we are going to anticipate higher prices. Now you remember what I said earlier. I said that $1.68, $1.70 will have to be our first area to come in and profit out the market. You guys can see, just like the last time on my first price target, we could get 8.4% out the market right there as the market in Kadena is anticipated to move higher. Okay. Then the second area outside of $1.70 is going to be up here towards $1.80. You guys can see that's 14.5% there. And then the third price target is going to be around $1.85, $1.90. And that's it. So now you guys can see the expectation into the market in Kadena. If anything, is going to remain trading range bound. It's going to continue to trade within the trading channel. Outside of the breakout, I don't see that occurring into the market in Kadena, but I do suspect that price is going to take a slow and methodical movement higher in price. I position where my price targets are at. Just to reiterate again, 168, 170 first. Second area is around 180, $1.80. And then that third area is right there around $1.95, $1.85 to $1.80. Okay, and that's it. I'm done. So now go ahead. It's your turn. Go ahead and take the opportunity to just look at the chart for what it is. Don't add nothing to it. Just look at the chart, look at the price bars, look at the volume, and try to determine what the market is trying to go. Let me know. Drop me a comment real quick and tell me. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.